Hello, my name is Maria Micha, and I'm a psychotherapist, a hypnotherapist, and a corporate trainer. My approach to psychotherapy is intuitive, which means that I help the people I work with find their own intuitive wisdom, and they have their own internal pathways in order to deal with life challenges. Today, I would like to talk about love. But I would like to talk about the love we give to others and the love we give to ourselves. Especially parents or codependent individuals, or individuals who care a little bit too much about others and forget to turn love towards themselves. Which means that they stretch themselves to think that they spend too much energy for other people, whether they're children or partners or parents or friends. And they will always be at the bottom of their priority list. They won't create space for them. They won't create relaxation time for them. They will not even create time to collect their thoughts or rest and sleep. When you're stretching yourself so thin, and when you always prioritize other people, there are a few negative consequences that can enter your life and your existence. You train people to not take you into consideration. People who do that are usually exceptionally competent, which means that they're likely to do things better than others in their environment. So the usual way of thinking is, but if I can do it in 5 minutes, why would I ask my partner to do it when he or she will need half an hour or 1 hour? Well, by not delegating, they will never get faster and they will never get as good as you are. Another issue is that you end up having a deficit of love. You are so used to be giving love that you don't even realize that you don't receive enough. But we all need love because love is nurturing and love is making us feel so powerful and invincible. And the more you train yourself to not receive love, the less likely you are to realize that you need it and that you have a deficit of love. Finally, the more you don't give love to you and you give love to others, you're increasing your chances of bringing in your life people with narcissistic tendencies or people with borderline personality disorder. These people will always love what you have to offer more than they will love you. So the feeling of having to serve others, define your own feelings and your own needs will perpetuate. And at some point in your life, you're going to be burnout. You'll feel that life is unfair. And you are always getting what you don't deserve. It's never too late to change, whether you're 10, 20, 50, or 80. Prioritize yourself and be okay with losing people that cannot love you back. The more you clear your environment from people who cannot love you, the more you create space for people who are healthy and they know how to love you in a two-way relationship, in a more balanced manner. You deserve it.